So in this video we're going to look at place value and how decimals can be interpreted. So in this first question we have what is the value of the digit 7 in the following numbers. And we all know that when we are dealing with positive digits, so let's look at the first one, 45.73, we know that the 4 represents 4 groups of 10. It's 40. And the 5 represents 1, which is 5 groups of 1, which is 5. Past the decimal point, it's representing first tenths, so some value out of 10, then a value out of 100, and finally a value out of 1,000. So the 7, or the 0.7, represents 7 tenths, where 1 whole tenth would equal 1. And the 3 represents 3 hundredths. So in the answer, A is 7 tenths. Okay, next, let's do B. We have 9.172. So we have 9 ones, the decimal place, 1 tenth, 7 100ths, and 2 1,000ths. The 7 represents 7 groups of 100. The point of this is to demonstrate that as we get into past the decimal point, we get into fractional values. And every decimal point past it goes further divides by 10. But just like if you go the other way, you multiply by 10 to get higher, when it comes to decimal point, we divide by 10 to go further, to further values that are lower. Okay, let's look at another one. So again, we're looking for a specific value associated with one of the digits in the following numbers. So we've got A, which is 32.58. And we're asked, what does the digit 5 represent in that number? We know we've got 3 groups of 10. And we've got 2 groups of 1. The decimal place. Past here, everything's fractional. So first out of 10, then out of 100, and then out of 1,000. So, the 5 is 5 tenths, and the 8 is 8 100ths. So the answer, A, is 5 out of 10. Let's look at B. We have no tens, no hundreds. We have 6 groups of 1. We have our decimal place. We have 1 tenth. We have 4 out of 100. And we have 5 out of 1,000. So the 5 is actually 5 out of 1,000. Alright, here's another one to practice, so pause the video if you want to give it a go yourself. What is the value of the digit 9 in the following numbers? So A, we have 2 groups of 10, 7 ones, the decimal place, 9 tenths, and 4 100ths. So the 9 is 9 out of 10. Alright, for B, we have 8 ones, the decimal place, 3 groups of 10 for the tenths, 6 groups of 100 for the hundredths, and 9 groups of 1,000 for the thousandths. So the answer is 9 over 1,000. Okay, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.